Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this mirror marker turn signal assembly with an updated part from Trail Ridge. If you want this part, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to position the mirror in a certain position. I need to move the mirror all the way up and all the way to the left for the passenger side, and then I'll turn the key off. Okay, there's a little silver tab in there. What I'm going to do is take a straight blade screwdriver, I'm going to push on that tab. When I push on that tab, I should be able to pull this assembly out a little bit. And it'll pop out. So that's the tab that I was pushing on. As I push that, it comes right out. Now with the new assembly, I'm going to take the old light socket, take the top one out first. I'm going to take the bulb out, and I'm going to plug the top side of this in first. This is the yellow and black wire. And then I'll take the bottom one out and grab the bulb on this one, slide it out, and then plug this in right here, just like that. Now I'm just going to test it before I put it in. Just check that the marker works and also the blinker. And it's working properly. So now I can finish the installation. I can slide these wires in while I get this into position. And lock it in place. These new markers are really cool. They show a lot more light. The light is a little bit sharper than the originals. They're the LED style, so when they're turning on and off, they're a lot quicker. It's an updated design, very stylish. Let's try the blinkers. The blinkers are nice, a lot of visibility at night.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.